Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial for you guys. It is not a full face tutorial, I apologize. Just pretty much eyes, nose, lips, you know, the contour, little stuff like that. I didn't want this video to be too long. I wanted it to be a quick eye makeup tutorial for y'all. So I'm going to show you the two palettes that I used. I used the I Love You So Mochi palette and the NYX Ultimate Electric palette for these colors, and look how amazing they turned out. Oh, so good. Love them. So pretty. Just wanted to show you guys the colors that I use. So I'm going to be using this beautiful blue here. I'm also using this blue from the Laneige Cosmetics palette as well. And I'm going to be using, what else? This gold in here also. So just wanted to show you guys what I'm using, the two palettes, because I'm not going to be able to explain them to you while I'm doing my makeup. If you guys would like a talk through makeup tutorial in the future, please let me know, and when I come back from vacation I will gladly get one up for you guys. Also, you guys, I'm going to be going on vacation for like a week. I'm going to be vlogging this time. I go to Miami a lot, but this time I'm going to LA and Miami. So I will try and vlog this situation. I recently got some new vlogging equipment, so that is why I never really had real vlogs up, but now I think I'm really going to get into it because I got some new stuff. So I hope you guys are excited, because I'm excited to be sharing my life with you now that it's going better than it has been. So I will talk to you guys in my next tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video. Bye. With a brown color from the Morphe palette. It's like an orangey brown. It also has the same color in this Laneige Cosmetics palette as well. Underneath my eye, I'm going to go in with that blue I showed you guys. This is just to line underneath my eye. I really love this blue color. I just thought it was so pretty. And I actually got this idea from a look that was already on her page, so it's kind of inspired by somebody else's look, you guys, but I really like how it turned out. It's very similar to a look on her page, so if you guys are looking for something similar to this, you can go on Laneige Cosmetics page and find it. So in the corners of my eyes, I'm actually going in with a darker color brown from the Morphe palette, and we're just going to create some depth in the eyes with that. It sort of just kind of makes my eyes look a little bigger. I kind of like it. And in the corners, in the inner corners, I'm going to go in with that gold color, and this is just going to brighten up the inner corner of my eye. I'm actually going in with a blue color from the I Love You So Mochi, and on top of that, I'm using that same color that I went under my eye with. So I'm kind of blending the two colors together just to create like a darker blue. I didn't want to just have that icy baby blue, the only color on my lid, so I kind of blended in with a darker blue. And then here I'm just lining my eyes with a black pencil eyeliner I got from the beauty supply store. I don't even remember who it's by, you guys, but I mean, you can use any black eyeliner. And then underneath on my brow bone, I'm actually just using some NYX concealer. And this is just going to kind of like emphasize the arch in my brow. And then I'm just going to highlight it also with a little bit of highlighter later on. So I'm just using Milani liquid liner just to line my eyes. I'm not doing anything too crazy, just a small wing. I didn't want this to be too dramatic because the eye is already dramatic. And as for highlighter, I'm actually using the Carly Bible palette. I'm using that bronze color, and then I'm just going over it with a brighter gold color that's on her palette as well, and then hitting the brow bone as well to create another form of a highlight. I actually bought this lip contour kit. It's by Huda Beauty. I reviewed it in my Sephora video if you guys haven't seen it. So So I'm just going in with the lip liner. The second step is the darker lip color, and then the third step is a lighter lip color, and it's basically just a lip contour kit. It helps you contour your lips, give it a little bit of a contoured look. Duh. And for lashes, I'm wearing the She Central lashes. I don't remember the name, but I'll list it down below. And just going in with some mascara, and this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and thanks for watching.